Hello guys, so I'm back. So I just completed my Lancaster tree. Check out. Look at it. This is my Lancaster tree. This thing can deploy, but it moves slowly and will flap. And don't forget to disable collision this. And now likes there. Now spikes. The spikes are done. So that is my Lancaster 3. So this is my Lancaster 2. Look, have the flaps like TIV2, flaps like front flaps and side flaps like TIV2, and only have one spike. And this thing can threshold 240 miles per hour. And Lancaster 3 can survive 260 miles per hour up to 450 miles per hour. So this is, so I'm gonna make some Lancaster 1. So I'm gonna make Lancaster 1. I'm an English player at Philippines. So Lancaster 1. This is gonna be Lancaster 1. So there was so many metals. So I have so many metals. So wait guys, I'm so hot. Eventually I'm back. My fan just broke down. So this is gonna be so huge. Okay, my mom just there. Short beam. Let me just get out my Lancaster cheeseburger. Quick. That is why am I getting. So I'm gonna copy it. Last time I made a video like making. I did not said anything. From the season 1 EF6 tornado. Or EF7. That was EF6 or EF7. EF6 or EF7. That was EF6. So eventually my still survived that, but only one still didn't. The still one. The almost got lifted is the still 2. From my Philippines mother. So my mom is English, not Tagalog. So that's it. Just delete my land castle 3 workers. They're deleted. Ocean. Maybe I'm curious. So eventually it's broken. So eventually it's broken. Just calm down, Bren. Calm down. I'm calming down. To destroy the stupid thing. I'm calm down. I calm down now. So Lancaster 1 have this fight because we're gonna beat her so like 200 or 300 mass power swings speed. So I'm working hard. Frick. Getting my fucking Dominator 1. Where's Dominator? I got it. Okay. So I built that before. So I keep posting more videos than like this. So like and subscribe to my channel to have a cookie. You have a cookie. Wow, you got it! You have a cookie! Yay! You have so much cookie! Let's go! You have so much cookie! Woohoo! So I will be gone at Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, at Friday. So I have school tomorrow. Like I don't have school tomorrow. Let's go! So that's all done. So sadly my grandma passed away. Wait, I'm gonna tell my mom news about this. Wait, let me pass. Now the final result and I'm done. there. That is my final result of my Tornado Interceptor. So let's detail it. Don't forget, I'm gonna pause this and skip the thing, so I'm gonna detail. So you just wait. Now the final result to my detail. Please do not judge my detail. Spike detail. Looking good. And I got the likes, so I got the likes. Most detailed likes. Most detailed flap, and the back flap is so much detail. So let's get detailed. Let me detail it. I'll be right back. The final result, the last detail. Done. So let's save it. Because I'm low. I'm 3%. I have 3% money. So Lancaster 1. TM Lancaster team. So bye bye. Say bye bye.